Welcome to this special edition of What the Heck Am I Doing? So, this episode, we're going to be going over the classifications of a Rubik's Cube and putting it one back together. Now, there's two types. One with the stem like this. See how that's kind of thin? And a stem like this. This red piece came out. And a stem like this. See how it's kind of round right there in the middle? That is something you do not want. This is a cube that you do not want to take apart. So, I mean, you can always put it back together, but I just wouldn't. I just don't want to take it apart. That's just me. I already lubricated mine with some B-Laster silicone. So I recommend that. That actually makes it quite smooth. But it will need it in about a year. So make sure you buy the smallest can possible. You just barely need a little bit. And whenever you're lubricating it, you want to make sure you do it outside because it's kind of toxic and it can really hurt your lungs. So these are the cubes you do not want to mess with, as in taking apart. And these are the cubes that are cheap. Not in both ways. I mean cheap as in price. I bought this was like $4, $3. Of course, it comes with stickers. The stickers alone probably costed like 50 cents. So, see, these come with screws. These are to tighten and loosen these. So the tighter you tighten this one, it's going to be more compressed towards the stem, leaving less space for the side pieces and the corner pieces. So these are the side pieces. I set them off to the side, and the corner pieces are out there in the corner. So we're going to start messing with these. Now you're going to separate the white side pieces with the other side pieces, and you're going to put them there. Okay, so just grab a white side piece, and you're just going to kind of, you don't want to push it in there like that. You don't want to push. You want to kind of turn it like that. Get this, put it just like that, lower it down, and slide in like that. It's really easy. So get another one. Now you do not want to get one that's going to be here because then it's going to be harder to put the other pieces in. So we're going to wait for that one. We're going to put this one, white and green. And we're going to kind of just real quick slide it in like that. Easy. Now it doesn't matter which one you do because heck, we're going to be doing both of them. Anyways, so now it's going to go in like that. So now we got this last one. It's blue and white. So instead of you putting it right there where there's open space, where there usually is open space, but this time there isn't, you're going to move it where there is open space. You're just going to slide it in real quick and slide it and turn it around 90 degrees. So now it's like that. Now, this is the easy part, and I think it's fun. It's probably the most fun part about this. You're going to get these white corner pieces, and you're just going to slide it in there like that. You get another one. You're going to slide it in there again. Here we go. That, and then this last one. Now, I suggest not holding it up while you're doing this, because these pieces probably will fall, but, So now you're going to turn it on its side, with the yellow side facing towards your right, and the white side facing towards your left. But that's if you're right-handed. But if you're left-handed, just do everything the opposite way. So you're going to kind of put your fingers on the loose corner pieces. See how mine are? It's pretty good. The index finger back here. This one you don't need to worry about because that's the side piece that you're going to be putting in right here. So I'm going to need a orange and green one. Here we go. So this is going to be going in like that, except you don't want to shove it in there like that. You might mess up your cube. So you're going to turn it with your index finger real quick. Put a little bit of force down there and slide it back. So now this corner piece is secure. So now you're just going to rotate it. Now you're going to get the red and green one. And you're going to do that. You're going to move it just like that. So now you got two more. Red and blue. Move it like that. So now I got blue and orange. So this can go in just like that. There we go. Now we got these two layers, two bottom layers solved. That's what we want. Now this layer is going to be kind of easy, and it's not going to be confusing at all. So you're going to put one side piece in first. Right now it doesn't matter on where these are. You can just put them anywhere on any side. So I'm just going to, now this piece you're going to shove in a little bit, but you're also going to turn it around 45, so that way this kind of moves down. See how that's kind of easy to take in and out like that. That's what you want. So then it's gonna be like that. So just to make things easier on me and you, I'm gonna have it right here on the side. So now I'm gonna get a green corner piece and another one. So now I'm just gonna put these green corner pieces where they need to be. So here they are. Now we got a small T. So now I'm going to put in an orange or red side piece. So this red side piece is going to go right here. So I'm just going to kind of real quick move it, put it down. Now you're going to apply some force to it too. Just try not to do too much force. So then you're going to kind of go like that. So now you got these last three pieces. The side piece you're going to be doing last, even though that was the first one that we did. This is going to go in here like that. This one is going to go in like that. So there we go. We completed it. Now, if you ever want to tie in it and make sure it doesn't come apart again, just screw that in. Okay.